In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix SIM card storage is full. No more space for SMS messages problem. So first head over to your settings. Then next is look for your app settings or you can also search for app list. Then click on it. Once again, click on app list or app management depending on the phone you're using. Then here you can simply just search for messages. So click on the Messages app. Now from here, click on Storage and Cache. Then proceed by clearing your messages storage by clicking on Clear Storage. Before you proceed, make sure that you have backup on your important messages. For this setting, will clear out all the data and messages inside your Messages app. Once done, proceed by clicking on the Delete button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!